Hi, it's Del from Future You Success and welcome back to the channel and the 40-day affiliate marketing challenge to see if we can make money affiliate marketing as complete beginners from scratch in 40 days. I started affiliate marketing some 3 years ago, and whilst today I make a decent living from it, when I started I made a ton of mistakes, and it's easy to forget what it is like as a beginner to start an online business, especially affiliate marketing. There are many gurus out there showing you how in 30 days you can be earning an income. So I wanted to see if that's possible today, starting from complete scratch with nothing set up. So we're working on the 40-day affiliate marketing challenge to see what is possible. We're doing this part-time with 1 or 2 hours a day only, as I figure that's how you will start. And we're going over 40 days as this gives us 10 days to set everything up and then 30 days of live running for analysis to see if it works. And we do earn some money affiliate marketing. Well, will it work? Well, let's find out. Oh, and some other considerations in the challenge. Yes, only part-time, but also we'll only be building this organically, so no paid adverts. We'll only use one platform to promote our product in, so we learn the basics and not flip-flop all over the place. And as a test, we want to see if we can make a nominal $200. Right, so a quick recap to where we are from the first 2 videos. If you've not seen them, do have a look as they give you a bit more background and the steps to how we set things up so far. We have our subject and market idea of what to promote and who to promote our product to, and we've gone through step by step finding our affiliate product and setting up and opening our affiliate marketing account to promote our product. So, on to the next stage. Deciding on what type of content to produce to promote our affiliate marketing product in and what platform are we going to use for our content is a bit of a chicken and egg scenario, as both can come first in our decision process. The content can drive the platform choice and vice versa. But first, let's think about where our potential audience is and how they are looking for a solution to their problem. Remember, this is all doable part-time and in 1.5 hours a day or evening. In the early videos, we came across the challenge and problems people face with getting older. And one of the solutions that is a trending topic is the use of light therapy machines in the home to treat signs of aging. We found a product to promote as an affiliate product, a light therapy mask. But where are people looking for answers to their aging problems? And then where can we promote our own light therapy mask? Our potential audience can look in a wide range of places for answers. Each platform is great to use, but also each platform has its own challenges, particularly as we're starting out. And although, as part of this challenge, we're only using one platform to begin with, we can later on scale up and widen our activity to a wider audience with the use of more platforms. Here we see some popular search platforms our audience may use. Some are very specialised in their content. Some have algorithm changes going on to the way they now serve answers to questions, and some are becoming more AI orientated. Also, with some of the visual platforms, the content may only be live or served for 24 or 48 hours, thus limiting a potential life of the content we create. One platform that could be an answer is YouTube. YouTube's demographic suggests that we have a potential audience in our age band of 18 to 65. We have an even split of male and female users, and importantly, a video has a long shelf life, with YouTube serving content to a searcher, as long as the content matches the search intent, no matter when it was created. Oh, and a further bonus, YouTube videos can also be served up onto Google, giving us a potential double hit at audience searches. But I know what you are thinking. You don't want to make videos. You don't want to be on camera, etc., etc. I know where you're coming from. You don't have to be. There is an alternative and a growing trend on YouTube. That is faceless videos. A growing trend on YouTube is the use of content uploaded videos without the person actually appearing in them. Also, there is the rise of AI created content and the use of stock images with free-to-use content creation tools that you can use as a beginner from scratch to create your own content videos. And remember that although we are doing this in our 40-day challenge with our chosen product of a light therapy mask, you can use the steps in this series to start your own business in affiliate marketing with your own choice of product or service. It's whatever floats your boat really. But first, before we even create a video to include links to our product, we need to set up our YouTube account. And when we do, there are certain things that we need to ensure so that we have the correct YouTube permissions to run our affiliate marketing business. Opening a YouTube account to create a channel is like we've already seen with the affiliate platform we set up earlier, a straightforward process. Please bear in mind this is not the definitive YouTube setup guide. There are plenty of videos on that out there, but the basics are here to get started. Remember, this challenge is as beginners, so any YouTube complexities can come later. The important thing is to get up and running and launched in our spare time. So, very easily and quickly, go onto YouTube, click on the settings and you will find a tab that says create a new channel. If you click on this, you can follow the simple on-screen instructions in creating a channel. But here's a few pointers. The first thing we want to be doing is think of a name for our channel. Now, as this channel is around health and light therapy mask, we have the name Future You Health. It's sort of allied to this channel as Future You Success. Also, that gives us scope for scaling with other health related products in the future. Also, when setting up a channel, go into the customization tab, and as seen here, you can upload a simple stock banner and a profile picture. These can always be changed later as the channel develops and grows. Remember, again, although this is being set up in the health niche, you might want to set your own channel with your own product idea. All this is being done in our first few days of the 40-day challenge, all part-time, all pre-launch to going live. Now, to continue the channel setup, we need to put in a description about the channel and what it will be about. The description is important as it will help YouTube to understand us better so that it can present us to an audience searching for answers to the problems that, in this case, light therapy masks we are promoting. For an idea of a description, you might want to pause the video to see what's written here. Also, this customization gives us the chance at a later date to add external links, maybe to a website we might set up at a later date. Finally, as we're going to promote affiliate products through an affiliate marketing link, we need to enable advanced features in our YouTube setup. These features are found in the settings section of our channel. There are 3 steps to set up, with feature eligibility being the most important one. YouTube wants to ensure you are a genuine person and that are going to comply with their guidelines. So to enable this feature, we need to enable this feature tab and follow the requests. One of the requirements is to confirm who you actually are. So to confirm the ID, the simplest way is to have a photo of your identification document uploaded to YouTube for verification. A passport can be used, and once you've done this, it may take up to 24 hours for Google, YouTube to verify it's you. Although my experience has been that this is done in minutes. Once checked, we will receive back a verification email to our given email address saying that we are good to go. And there we have it. We are good to go. All permissions are enabled, so we are now ready to create our first videos and upload them to our new channel. So, where are we at now? We've chosen our subject niche market. We have found our affiliate on-trend product to promote. Our affiliate marketing platform account is set up, and we have chosen our method of content to promote our products in. And finally, for today, we have set up our content platform ready to go. So join me in the next video where we will create our first video using free tools available and include our affiliate links for our product. If you have any comments, please leave them below, and if you missed the earlier setup videos in the challenge, go and have a look as it will help you. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so that you get the first notification of the video as we continue on our journey to see if we can earn any money from affiliate marketing from scratch in 40 days. Until then, best regards, catch you later.